The top 10 business analyst skills for 2024 encompass both technical and soft skills, reflecting the evolving nature of the role and the importance of data-driven decision-making in today's business environment. Here's a consolidated list: understanding buy-in's objectives. The ability to grasp and articulate the goals and objectives of a business is crucial. This involves understanding the strategic direction and how specific projects align with these objectives. 3. Critical and analytical thinking. This skill is essential for evaluating information and making informed decisions. It involves the ability to analyze data, identify patterns, and draw conclusions that support business objectives. 3. Communication skills. Effective communication is key for business analysts to convey complex information in a clear and understandable manner. This includes both verbal and written communication, as well as the ability to listen and understand different perspectives. 3. Technical proficiency. Business analysts need a strong foundation in technology, including knowledge of databases, software development, and data analysis tools. This ensures they can analyze data and develop solutions that meet business needs. 3. Project management. Managing projects efficiently is crucial for business analysts. This includes planning, executing, and monitoring projects to ensure they are completed on time and within budget. 2. Stakeholder engagement. The ability to engage with various stakeholders, including clients, team members, and senior management, is vital. This involves understanding their needs and concerns and facilitating effective communication between all parties involved. 2. Data analysis. Proficiency in data analysis is essential for interpreting data and providing insights that support decision-making. This includes statistical analysis, data visualization, and the ability to use analytical tools. 3. Process optimization. Business analysts should be skilled in identifying inefficiencies in business processes and proposing improvements. This involves analyzing current processes and suggesting changes that can enhance productivity and efficiency. 2. Strategic planning. The ability to align business objectives with strategic plans is crucial. This involves understanding the broader business context and how specific projects contribute to long-term goals. 3. Adaptability. In a rapidly changing business environment, the ability to adapt to new technologies, methodologies, and business challenges is invaluable. Business analysts need to stay current with industry trends and be open to learning new skills too. These skills are not only essential for current business analysts but also for those looking to advance their careers or enter the field. By developing these skills, business analysts can contribute significantly to their organization's success and growth.